teacher Shama is going to conduct an activity with my kids. Let's start.
Here is a map of India and here states and capitals are given. So we will do an activity Mapology of India with capitals. Now find the Ladakh from the given state and place it. Very good. And what is the capital of Ladakh? Where it is? Find it out. The very first state which you have put is what?
Ladakh.
Very good. Okay, Arohi. Now find the next state from this given state. Which is the state?
Jammu and Kashmir.
Very good. Place it. And what is the capital? Find it out. Okay, Priyesh. Now find out the next state, that is Himachal Pradesh. And what is the capital of Himachal Pradesh?
Shimla.
Place it the capital. Very good. Okay, Agastya. Now show me the next state. What is the name of state?
Punjab.
And what is the capital?
Chandigarh.
Okay, Priyansh. Now show the next state. What is the next state?
Uttarakhand.
And what is the capital of Uttarakhand? What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Very good, Priyansh. Thank you. Okay, Natik. Now, the next state is?
Haryana.
Very good. Okay, Gauri. Now, what is the next state?
West Bengal.
Show it on a map. In a map, along with the West Bengal, Sikkim is also given. Now, what is the capital of West Bengal? Kolkata. Place it. Very good. And what is the capital of Sikkim? Gangtok. Place it. Very good. Okay, Rudransh. Now, tell me the next state. Maharashtra. Show it on a map. And what its capital?
Mumbai.
Show it. Very good. Okay, Daksh. The next state is?
Karnataka.
Show it on a map. Okay, what is the capital of Karnataka? Bangalore. Now it's Bangalore. Along with the Karnataka, one more state is given. Goa. What is the capital of Goa?
Panji.
Place it on a map. Very good. Okay, Purva. What is the next state?
Tamil Nadu.
Place it on a map. And what its capital?
Chennai.
Show it. Very good. Okay, Arya. Now, tell me the next state.
Arunachal Pradesh.
Show it on a map. What its capital?
Itanagar.
Place it. Very good. Show me the next state on a map. What is the name of the state?
Kerala.
Kerala. Very good. And what its capital? Tiruvananthapuram. Very good. Okay, Sneeza, now tell me the next state.
Andhra Pradesh.
Place it on a map. And what its capital?
Amravati.
Show it.